Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app or assistant that does audio recognition. You must grant microphone permission. Without it, nothing works. Next, position the phone close to the speaker and tap the song detection or record button. Aim for a clean 10 to 30-second clip so the algorithm has enough data. If you're indoors, reduce echo by moving closer to the sound source. Once you hit record, hold steady and let the software capture the main melody or vocal. Once you have the clip, refine it. Trim silent lead-in and boost sections with the vocal or hook when possible. If live recognition fails, use a different approach. Hum the melody, sing the hook, or upload an audio file from your library. Make sure background noise is minimized and try stereo versus mono if available. The service compares fingerprints, therefore, focus on the strongest, most consistent portion. If the first result is wrong, review the alternate matches before giving. You finish by confirming the match details: song title, artist, and album. Play the return preview to ensure it's the same recording. Different versions can sound similar. If the app couldn't identify the track, transcribe a unique lyric line and search it, or compare waveform snippets in a file-based tool. As a final troubleshooting tip, re-record the sample in a quieter place and try a second recognition service. Sometimes one database has a song the other misses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.